Let's examine how the analysis command if contains or then actually works. Alright, so in this simple spell, we're going to begin by clearing the emulated computer screen window. We're doing that with the CLS command. Then we're going to put the word hello into word box 1. Then we're going to run the analysis command. If word box 1 contains hello or goodbye, then print it's there. Now it's very important that when you're done executing any commands within an analysis command, that you end that analysis command with a -- and if. So for example, here we have, the if contains or then at the very beginning, we have the code that we're executing, and then we end that with -- and if. Okay, and then to give us some visual cue or representation that the spell was actually cast, we're going to also then just print we are finished. And you'll see why that comes in handy in a moment. So let's go ahead and cast this spell and see what happens. So we're going to click on the cast button. The emulated computer screen window is already clear, so we're not going to see anything clear off there. But now we'll see the results of the analysis, and there it is. It's there. We are finished. So why did this analysis command get triggered? So we put the word hello into word box 1. So when we say if word box 1 contains, what we're really saying is if hello contains hello or goodbye, then print it's there. So as you can see, right, it's pretty straightforward because the user input variable word box 1 is filled with hello, right, because we're putting hello into word box 1. That's why when we do this analysis, the word hello, of course, contains the word hello. Word box 1 contains hello because that's what we put into it. But notice how we have this additional wording, right? If it contains hello or goodbye, then print it's there. So let's just do a quick test. Let's go ahead and change what we're putting into word box 1 to the word goodbye. Now, take note of the fact that I'm spelling the word goodbye in all lowercase letters, whereas down here in the analysis command itself, the first letter of the word goodbye is capitalized. Let's see what happens. So let's go ahead and cast this revised spell. We'll see the emulated computer screen window be cleared, and then we'll see what happens. Okay, it just says we are finished. Notice how the analysis command was not triggered. So why wasn't it triggered? After all, we're putting the word goodbye into word box 1, and then we're seeing if word box 1 contains hello or goodbye. Well, notice again how the word goodbye within the analysis command has a capitalized first letter, so the G is capitalized. This basically lets us know that this is a case-sensitive analysis command. So let's put this into practice by changing the first letter of the word that we're putting into word box 1 to a capital G. So now it's put proper case goodbye into word box 1. If word box 1 contains hello or goodbye, note again the capitalized first letter of the word goodbye, then we're going to print it's there, and then regardless, of course, it'll just print we are finished. So let's go ahead and cast this revised spell. We'll see the emulated computer screen window be cleared, and then we'll see the results. Notice how this time it is saying it's there. So the analysis command was triggered. Why? Because now we have a capitalized goodbye, right, with the first letter being capitalized, being put into word box 1, and that matches what the analysis command is looking for as well. Now let's do another test. Let's put the word hello and goodbye. Of course, it'll be helpful if we can spell the word correctly. So hello, goodbye, into word box 1. And then let's also just change this so that it's lowercase as well. Let's see what happens. Now, before we do so, to make it a little bit easier to understand what's going on, let's simply cast a short little spell there that cleans and clears the emulated computer screen window. Okay, there it is. Let's just put this back there now. Okay, let's go ahead and cast this revised spell, and we'll see what happens. So we're casting the spell, and now we've placed hello and goodbye into word box 1, and it's saying it's there. Now why? Well, if word box 1 contains hello or goodbye, then print it's there. So given the fact both words happen to be in word box 1, it is triggering the analysis command, and as a result, we're seeing it's there being printed. And by the way, what if we were to add the word good morning right in the middle there? Will that make a difference? Let's go ahead and once again just momentarily copy and paste that, and let's go ahead and run the CLS command by itself. And we're casting that short little spell. We'll see the emulated computer screen window clear. Let's go ahead and paste this back. Now let's go ahead and run or cast the spell. And let's see what we have appearing here in the emulated computer screen window. And lo and behold, it's saying it's there again. So why? Notice how even though there are a bunch of other words that show up between hello and goodbye, it's still triggering the analysis command, because if word box 1 contains hello or goodbye, then print it's there. So it really doesn't matter what order whatever is being searched for is in the user input variable word box 1. As long as the word hello or goodbye happens to be somewhere in there, it will trigger this particular analysis command. So hopefully this begins to give you a better sense of how the if contains or then command works, and how you can start putting it to use in your spells. Thanks for watching. Now please subscribe to our channel.